welcome to the 2022 Automation Fair event in Chicago. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our Partner Network magazine. This is the show to be when you want to see the top companies in industrial automation. And one of those companies is nVent HOFFMAN. I'm talking to Alex. Alex, tell us about what your company does.
Well, nVent is a global company, and I'm the General Manager Vice President for a product line called nVent HOFFMAN. And HOFFMAN is really about protecting and connecting. So we make sure that the electrical systems are kept safe with our enclosures and cooling solutions. We also help automation for panel shops, and we are recently going into the software.
And nVent HOFFMAN is a technology partner with Rockwell Automation. What does that bring for your customers? How do they benefit?
Yeah, I think it brings a lot, both to us as well for customers. We are a long-standing partner with Rockwell. We talk a lot about innovation and what we're seeing in trends in terms of our industry, and we're finding solutions to solve the customer's biggest problems. So, yeah.
And your booth is jam-packed. People are really interested in everything you're showing off. What are you highlighting here?
Yeah, it's overwhelming. We are basically showing three things on the trade show. First of all, our electrical enclosures and cooling solutions for making sure that critical applications are resilient. Then second, we're showing what you see behind me, the machines that help industrialize panel building process. A lot of that is still manual, and what we bring are solutions to semi-automate or fully automate that. And then finally, we're launching, and we're very excited about it, is a software that is actually providing an end-to-end solution for our customers, all the way from electrical engineering, so design into manufacturing and connecting workers, and then testing the panels before they go out to our final customers.
That's really exciting. Let's talk to Kent more about that.
Yes, let's do that.
So, tell me about the engineering software.
Sure, happy to. So we enter the picture when it's time to design the electrical system that goes into these enclosures. And what's unique about our software is that instead of just designing a picture, which someone can then look at and manually put this system together, we actually build intelligence into the design. So instead of really designing with pictures, we're designing with intelligent electrical models. So what that allows you to do is, first of all, much more quickly design the product, and then once it's designed, it allows you to feed the information from the design into prefabrication equipment, such as the mod center, such as automatic wire pre-processing equipment. That allows you to really prefabricate much of the unit prior to handing it over to production where they actually build it. So the technician, instead of having to cut every wire to length and strip the ends of the wire and crimp the ends of the wire and then plug that wire in and drop the scrap on the floor, which is what you see in many of the panel shops, the wire is ready to go. It's labeled. We have software-based work instructions. Plug it in here, and move on to the next. It allows you to really utilize a smaller workforce and eliminates really the type of scrap or the level of scrap that you would normally see in fabricating a system like this.
Well, that has a lot of advantages, especially with the challenges with the workforce that industrial firms are facing now. So there's a lot more you can learn about how nVent HOFFMAN can help you, so go to the URL on the screen and see how they can benefit you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.